It seems like it's always pothole season somewhere. These things are annoying at the best of times, but they have the potential of getting out of control and causing serious damage. Weather, traffic, and poor maintenance are the three main culprits in the formation of potholes. But there's another type of pothole that's probably slowing you down and has the potential of derailing your meetings. Procedural potholes. Want to learn more? Keep watching. When you come across a pothole, what do? Well, you slow right down. You probably start swerving around to try to avoid them, but if there are too many or they are too big, you come right down to a crawl to try to reduce the damage to your vehicle. At their worst, potholes can cause real damage to our vehicles. Hitting a large or deep pothole at high speeds can pop a tire, bend a rim, cause real damage to your suspension, or you may lose control and end up driving off the road. Rough roads can degrade into dangerous roads. The same can be said for our meetings when we choose to depart from the rules that are set out in the parliamentary procedure manuals. These choices can slow your meetings down, but they can also get out of control and cause conflict and confusion amongst your members if they're not kept in check, or better yet, corrected. That's why I call these procedural potholes.
Potholes typically form due to a combination of factors that include water, traffic, and the effects of freezing and thawing. While potholes will appear on any road if the conditions are right, roads that are poorly maintained or neglected will suffer the most. The same holds true when it comes to your meetings. How often have you gone with the flow simply because that's just the way things are done around here? When decision-making groups pick questionable habits, it's rarely because they're looking for trouble. They do it because the people before them did it.
Just as roads can be weakened due to the effects of weather and time, your meetings can become less effective due to the effects of habit and time. Procedural potholes that slow your meetings down are one thing, but they do have the potential to get out of control, cause unnecessary issues, and they could drive out your most engaged members due to frustration. So, how do you spot a procedural pothole, and what can you do about it? Just like roads, regular maintenance and timely repairs can help prevent the formation of procedural potholes and help your meetings run most effectively. One thing that you can do right away is create a rules committee or a procedures committee, a group that would be tasked with looking at your current bylaw or policy and the parliamentary authority that you use and matching up with how things actually happen in your meetings. This committee can make recommendations for modernization and change. A second thing that you can do is embark on a regular meeting audit. This would involve somebody observing your meetings for things like adherence to the rules that you have currently. Are they working? Is the meeting running as efficiently as possible? And has the group picked up any habits that deviate from the basic rules and that might present a risk of escalating in the future? Of course, somebody within the rules committee could take on this task, but there is always value in bringing in an outside person who has fresh eyes and can see things that you may not be able to spot yourself. And of course, watching these videos should help you ask better questions and maybe look at things in a new way. In the next few videos, we'll take a look at some common procedural potholes, and we'll take a close look at specific examples that many organizations engage in, probably without even thinking about it. We'll discuss why and how these can become problems and look at specific maintenance that you can use to fill in these potholes. If you've come across habits in your organization that feel like potholes to you, drop a note in the comments. Until next time, be safe out there.